We are the maintainers, hardworking and hands-on, all committed and all together. Out of sight in the hangars, in the light of runways. We are aircraft maintenance engineers, the highly skilled family behind the fleet. We help keep our aircraft departing and our passengers arriving to their destinations. Diverse, multi-generational, and ever-expanding. In search of the worthy to keep the nation's biggest fleet soaring to greater successes. Young dreamers, inspired to be lifetime achievers through the promise of integrated learning. Those willing to step up and take off with teamwork and safety first. With Air Canada, the definitive airline of firsts. The first major airline with an all-turbine fleet. And the first airline to offer in-flight entertainment systems. We were forward-thinking then and remain future-forward now. Because to us, aviation is innovation. We're cutting edge because Air Canada Maintenance cares about the customer experience. We're committed to getting people home and everywhere in between, enabling our airline to become a global leader in the science of air travel, helping 45 million passengers reach 200 destinations on 6 continents yearly. Because we engineer excellence, we're the unsung engine behind the actual engines. We keep our colleagues and our customers safe.